terrible Tudors.
The streets in Tudor Britain were quite disgusting. Yuck! See what I mean?
And now let's look ahead to what we can expect to see raining down on top of us in the streets of Tudor Britain over the next few days. Once again, we're forecasting lots of poo and pee here, here and here. Everywhere, in fact, as this is Tudor Britain, where people go to the toilet in buckets and throw it out of the window. And it's not just buckets. Sometimes people stick their bottoms out of the window and poo directly onto the street below. And if you're on the street below, directly onto you. So we can expect sudden showers of wee, heavy poo downpours, and with this level of hygiene, some showers of vomit, with conditions becoming slippery and in some cases rather smelly. Oof. So, a summary then. If you're living in Tudor times and walking in the streets, be sure to wear a big hat. Have a nice day. Ta-ta.
Did you know that Queen Elizabeth I had one of the very first flushing toilets in Britain? Before that, she just squatted over a pit. How very regal. One's done and number two.
Time again for our fairy tale series, where the stories are retold in different historical settings. Today, Thumbelina, the Tudor version. And so Thumbelina found her way to London, where she hoped to meet a fairy prince. Unfortunately, this was Tudor times, so the streets were all 6 inches deep in poo, which people had thrown out of their windows. And since Thumbelina was only 6 inches tall, Thumbelina drowned in poo. The end.